I'll be taking your orders at the end of the day. Just let me know what you want. I'm not one that likes to stay in the office. And I really, for myself, selfishly, really want to connect and understand all the communities of Eastern North Carolina. This is about listening. This is about our opportunity to go throughout communities of Eastern North Carolina and to listen to the health disparities, educational disparities, and economic disparities, but more importantly, what the community leaders themselves are doing to affect change for the positive. And so we take all new faculty that come to ECU and we put them on a big pirate bus and we travel through Eastern North Carolina.
I think this is a great opportunity for faculty to connect with folks and communities around the region, and hopefully that can inform some of the research work that you want to do in the region, and some of these folks can actually become partners in your projects.
And that's really critical because it gives our researchers and our students a sense of focus, a sense of empowerment, and a sense of gratification.
On time for Reverend Joyner.
I want to thank everybody for being here. We're excited about how we can turn Edgecombe County around from a community base. And with East Carolina support, we'll have 30 students from this community back in this community teaching.
So we kind of really go in there as a partner, as someone who is there to listen, to hear about what some of the issues are and how ECU can leverage our resources.
The relationship that you have with this organization is largely up to you, I think.
How do we take the research and how do we use it to improve the conditions of people in the communities that we call home?
And so one of the ways that we're trying to address this as a university is to bring more of our providers into these under-resourced communities and to work with communities to strengthen that healthcare delivery system.
That's why we have our community service learning centers, which provide dental health care and preventative health to 100 counties, all 100 counties in North Carolina.
This is the first in the nation and still the only one that's co-located with a federally qualified health center right here in Ahoskie. Isn't that kind of cool?
Need to be focusing on rural communities, and that is our effort. We align perfectly with ECU's mission. When we talk about student success, when we talk about public service, and we talk about regional transformation.
The rural areas are very short dentists, and so there's hopefully opportunities with local business community to help attract dentists to their areas.
A lot of the students that go to ECU are from rural areas and they intend to go back. So we're trying to show them a way that they can survive in a rural environment and they can have a good private practice with a good mix of patients.
And just as a statement, having that big pirate bus going through the communities and having them know that we care and we're here is important.
Yes, ma'am.
How many people do you employ?
This guy right here. We
Stop
do it all
You
ourselves.
do not.
I swear, we do it all ourselves. We're out here every day, 49 days straight.
And there's 25,000 chickens in each one.
But I've been very fortunate, I say blessed, because from not knowing a thing about chickens, I finished last year in the top 10 out of 300.
Oh, wow.
So I did pretty good.
I'm an engineer, so I could design a dam, I could design all kinds of energy sources, but unless I put it into context of the culture, I could do damage.
Coastal Studies Institute
is being directed and moved forward by ECU, but it is a multi-institutional partnership.
If we don't have the capabilities or those resources, we're going to find someone who's wearing red or light blue or dark blue or whatever color tie that it is to work with us so that we can help the communities. And I think the people of Eastern North Carolina really respect that in the sense of it's a hand-holding, it's a partnership. We're in it for the long term, we're not going anywhere. I'm kind of walking on shoulders of others who preceded me that have built up the strong mission focus and service orientation of ECU. The value of going around on the purple and golden bus tours that we bring people that brings together the economics with the science, with culture and history, and those are much more impactful and long-lasting opportunities for the communities themselves and for ECU.
And that's one reason that we asked you all here today, to shed some new light, to give us some creative ideas. We wholeheartedly believe that this could be a resurrection of our local economy. We need some assistance from the great minds of East Carolina to help us with that plan and networking that plan with the right people to bring our dreams into a reality that is good for the Lodge and good for Hyde County and all of Eastern North Carolina.
Eastern North Carolina faces a lot of really serious issues. And you know, it would be easy enough to say we're going to try to address one, but you really can't.
Yes, we had a flood. Yes, we had a major hurricane, but we're coming back and we're going to be better than ever. I want to hear from all of you how your great minds can help us with some of these challenges.
So we really tend to look at this holistically, and it's not easy. Trying to take that path takes longer time.
One of the things that you've got to do is what can we do to build back smarter and build back stronger?
It takes more faculty and leaders and external help. And I think, honestly, that ECU is a role model for other universities across the country and really what an embedded institution like we are can really do for a large geographic region. We're not UNC Greenville, we're East Carolina University, and we're here to help and work with and be a partner to 29 counties that call Eastern North Carolina home.